In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a space to favorites on ClickUp. Adding a space to your favorites is a simple way to keep your most important work just a click away, instead of hunting through a long list in the sidebar. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, look at the left-hand sidebar inside ClickUp. This is where all of your spaces are listed. Take a moment to find the specific space you want to favorite. It might be a team workspace, a client area, or a project space. Make sure you've clearly identified the right one before moving on, because that's the one you're going to add to your favorites. Once you've located the space, move your mouse over its name. When you hover over it, you'll notice 3 small dots appear next to the space name. This is often called the ellipsis menu. Click on those 3 dots. If you prefer, you can also right-click directly on the space name to open the same menu. Both options will bring up a context menu with several actions you can take for that space. In that menu, look for the option labeled Favorite. Don't click it immediately. Instead, hover your mouse over Favorite. This will expand another menu related to where and how you want this space to appear in your favorites area. Now you'll choose the location for this favorite. If you've already set up custom sections in your favorites, you'll see those listed here. You can select one of these custom sections to keep your favorites organized by category, client, or team. If you haven't created any custom sections yet, or if you just want extremely quick access, you can choose to pin the space to the top of your workspace. Pinning places it in a very visible spot so you can jump into it immediately. Before you confirm, you also have the option to add an alias. This is just a short nickname that will show in your favorites bar. It can be helpful if the original space name is long, includes internal codes, or isn't very descriptive. Type in a simpler or clearer name here if you want, or leave it blank to keep the original space name. Once you're happy with your choices, go ahead and click Add. Your space is now saved to favorites. From now on, you'll be able to access it quickly from your favorites area without scrolling through your entire sidebar.